Again, welcome you all in Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss about the experiment number 7 to find the magnetizing characteristics of the decision generator. Now here to plot the magnetizing characteristics of the DC generator, basically we require two parameters, that is one is shunt field current and armature voltage at no load conditions. So by these two parameters we can plot the magnetizing curve. So these are the apparatus required for or equipments required for this experiment, that is DC shunt motor as a prime mover, DC shunt generator, ammeter, voltmeter DC, and rheostat and DC supply and starter. So let us see here. This is the circuit diagram of this experiment. DC motor is mechanically coupled with the armature winding of armature of generator. The motor is working as a prime mover. The motor is started by using DC supply with the help of starter, and the field winding is connected across DC voltage. So try to make these all connections. Try to make all connections by using virtual lab, as due to COVID pandemic situations we are not able to perform physical practical. So therefore virtual labs are available. So just check now. Virtual labs available on Ministry of Education's portal, simulation for magnetizing characteristics of distributed generator. Okay, this is main source, this is starter, this is voltmeter, ammeter, and DC motor, and this is generator. Generator having two coil, one armature winding and the second one is field winding. So first connect here armature winding to the voltmeter, as we require no load voltage, and connect ammeter to the field winding as we need here field current. So जो हमें चाहिए यहाँ पे दो पैरामीटर्स फील्ड करंट और ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज ऑफ द आर्मेचर वाइंडिंग हमने उसमें कनेक्ट कर दिए. नाउ कनेक्ट द सप्लाई to the DC motor through this starter. L means line, A means armature winding. So I'm going to connect A1 here. Then F must be connected to field winding को connect करना है, but before that connecting we have to use here rheostat. So and these two terminals must be connected with negative point. After making the connections, please check all the connections. So I will check the connection first here. As we receive the comments from this virtual lab, your connection says correct. So switch on the supply MCB, as we have switch on the supply. And so I will take the different readings for different conditions. So first I will add this condition. One condition, the voltage is 115 and the current is 0.16. Then I will take second conditions. Now we have to plot So at least take 7 to 8 readings and add one by one. Again I will take fifth reading, again, again. At least take 6 to 7 readings, so your graph will be clearly mentioning the characteristics of the decision generator, magnetizing characteristics. Now plot the graph for these 8 values. So here we can see here the result. So this is the magnetizing curve for the decision generator. Also we can take the print of this result and these corrections. So I hope you all have understand how to perform the practical or experiment on decision generator to find the magnetizing characteristics. So you can save the all connections. I will save it as per my provision, and we can also refer this in further. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all have understand what is how to perform this test, and this is available for each and every